When you love yourself, you live without judgment and negativity. You live within an acceptance of who you are. Our video teaches how to love yourself. First step, honour yourself with self-care. Self-love and self-care go hand in hand. So allow yourself time, space and energy to do what you love, to do what makes you feel good. Honour yourself. Next step, be kind to yourself. At times we react rather than act. You know, we perhaps say something in a way that could seem hurtful. You don't mean it to be hurtful, and yet somehow that's how it comes across. So every now and again you actually have to forgive yourself. That's just an example of what you could be forgiving yourself for. There's a multitude of things that you need to forgive yourself for in order to be kind to yourself. Next step is trust yourself to lead with your heart. And by this, I mean a heart-centered way of being. When you live with a heart-centered existence, you live with truth and love. You're always speaking your truth because it's coming from a place of love. Your heart is love. So trust yourself to lead with your heart. Next step is be honest with yourself. Ask yourself, am I being the best I can be in this moment? You know, and be who you are with integrity. So be honest with yourself and how you're living and how you're being, how you're communicating yourself. Again, that's just an example. Next step, be open to better yourself. What I mean by this is acknowledge areas in your life where you could perhaps make a change, a positive change, which could make an improved difference in who you are. We're always evolving, life's evolving, and so with it, so can you. So be open to better yourself at any time. Don't ever feel like this state is final. The final step, and it really is the key to loving yourself, is be your own role model. By actually acknowledging to yourself that you can be your own role model, it means that you actually look up to yourself for respect and admiration, but you can also be humble. It's not a selfish way of thinking that, oh, I'm the best and that's all I'm going to be. It's about just being humble and being respectful of yourself as well as the others around you. Self-love is about a centered self. So you're neither selfless nor selfish. You're somewhere in between. You're where you're centered. And each individual's centered self is different. So how can you expect to look to someone else for something that you can find within yourself. This is what I mean by be your own role model. Self-love, it really does come with a respect for yourself, as well as a true sense of self-belief, of actually being able to say to yourself, I believe in myself wholeheartedly. I believe in myself to just be who I'm meant to be. And really what it all comes together as is when you love yourself, when you've found that place of self-love, it feels like peace. It just feels like you're at peace with who you are as a person. If you'd like to hear more about concepts like these, then please subscribe or join us at lovingactsofkindness.com. Thank you. Live a life of love.